Welcome to 7th chapter of this course Guide to Joomla. In this lesson you will learn about site management, which include user management, site plugin and media manager. Today I will teach you about the media manager. The media manager is a tool for uploading or deleting files in the image directory on a web server. Tools included are uploading new files, deleting existing files, and creating subdirectories. So let's start. After you log into the admin of the website, you will see under the site block there is a media manager link. You can also navigate to this media manager from under the content, and there is a media link. So after you click it, media manager is before you. On the top left side you will see three buttons. One is the upload, second is create new folder, third is the delete. So if you want to upload a file in images folder, you will use this button, and if it will upload a file in the folder. So let me show you how to upload a file. Just browse and locate your file to be uploaded, and just double click on it. It will show us a message, item uploaded. So this item is uploaded in currently viewing folder. This folder is inside root folder of Joomla installation. This is the main folder image, in which there are subfolders, banners, header, sample data, virtual part, and all the files and folder inside this image folder can be seen in this grid view. Now if you want to create a new folder, just click on it, new folder, and give some name, products, and create it. It will create a new folder in the image folder. Products is here. Now in this Joomla 4, as there was a major update in the Joomla, they brought a lot of options for the media manager. When I select on any file, to the right side I can see its all properties, the file name and folder and file type, created date, dimensions, size, my MIME type, and extension also. So to the top right there is the option and help button. Let's see what's provided in the options. When I go to option, first one is the maximum size, which is in the megabyte for the file being uploaded. Second is the path to file folder. Third is the path to image folder. It is the same as the directory of the file folder. And restrict upload, if yes or no. Restrict mean does not allow all the file to be uploaded like zip or exe file. Then next is the allowed extension. Just give extension that you want to allow for uploading, and our extension are separated by the comma. Next is the check MIME type. You can select it yes, and legal image extension are also there. Legal audio extension, if you want to add any more extension you can add by comma, separate it. Legal video extensions, these are all file extensions. Legal document extension, ignores extension you can use. Let's say I want to also upload a zip, and I will say to ignore this zip and let me to upload it, but I am not doing right it now. And you can find about the MIM types for extension from the online like Google search engine. And last is the forbidden MIM types. Okay, I am going to close it. Next is let me show you the directory where these images resides on your Joomla installation. Here this website root folder, and this is inside the root image folder, and inside the image all the images are here. You can see all the directories here. I have just created the product directory and just uploaded a check.png file there. Now let us delete this from media manager. Just click on this folder and this check file, or you can, it does not allow to select multiples, so I will go and delete one by one. Confirm delete, yes, delete it. It is deleted successfully. There is a zoom icons. There is a view icon, either to show in grid view or list view. If you show in the list view, all the details for file and folders will be shown here, and there is also to hide or show the information. And the interesting thing added in this Joomla 4 is about the image options. When you go to the image, there is a little 3-dotted icon to the top right side. Click on it. There are 6 options here. First is the edit, other is the zoom. It will open and zoom up the image, and next is the download button. You can download it, and this is the rename item. You can rename it, and delete item. Also get a shareable link from here, and you can check this button and copy, and you can use it by copying this link, and you can use it in the articles or modules, HTML modules. And the very great option is about the edit item. Let's say you uploaded files for your products to be shown under one category, and those all files were having a different dimension. Just edit those files, and there are 3 tabs here. One is the crop. You can either crop this image, you can resize it giving the quality 100, 0 to 100, and resize dimension, width and height you can set here, and you can also rotate by different angle, 0, 90, 180 or 270. If you revert the changes, don't want to save any change, just reset it and close this file. Or if you want to change and make the changes after resizing, after cropping or after rotating, just save and close it. Don't forget to do it. So that was today's lesson about the media manager. I hope you learned how this media manager is useful for you in developing the websites and editing images, creating folders. See you in the next lesson.